Grandma, what are you making today?
Massala Halwa,
What kind?
masala.
Is this the baby one?
Yeah.
What is this?
Yeah. No more.
That's the ghee.
Go say this now. So they have raw masala.
What is this?
3 of this spoon.
Okay.
I don't know they're going to work in spoon. Alice,
Oh, okay.
right? You smell.
Yeah.
Okay. See a dye. Give me that. You know my
Gra-
ginger though. This is the
Ground ginger.
You see how much ginger?
Mm-hmm.
You got to get a lot of ginger. It's a gum flavor.
The bathroom on the side, I didn't really look at that, but we can walk around that when I come take a look at that. But whatever, so close up.
Just a little bit of dye.
Turmeric. Put more. This will clean you inside.
Mm.
One thing. So,
Bone jam and then I will come in and patch of flour.
Grandma mixed it with a little bit of water.
I'm not talking about the bathroom part.
Just like when you cook curry.
So you want to make it into one paste?
Mm-hmm.
There's an exhaust fan.
The smell?
Mm-hmm.
It's strong.
Yeah. Why do
Enough for making look.
why you make so much?
Really?
Yeah. You ate this when you've been pregnant with mom and mamu?
Mm-hmm. My grandmother used to make nice halwa.
Your grandma?
Yeah.
You want to drink some?
Maybe.
Okay.
Very fun. Never bring in a bag down and sit
Frying. Flour. What kind of flour is this?
On purpose.
That's it?
Mm-hmm. Then we make no fry.
And you have to patch it or parch it, which is toasting it. Grandma toast. Grandma do that, and I'm doing it on the other side. Grandma's throwing elaichi, also known as cardamom, to give it some flavor. I can't really tell in this lighting. Oh, maybe there. It's like it's turn brown, but you can see it's changing colors. The flower looks brown. I don't know if you can tell, but it's brown. Pour it?
No! You got to cool.
Oh.
These got to cool.
Evaporated milk.
Now you just keep a little bit and you mix them in milk.
Who?
Your grandma.
Oh, your nanny? And you're my nanny.
Yes. Ginger.
Okay.
Make patch.
Oh, you put it to patch.
That.
The flour's cool down now.
Add the water.
One can of evaporated milk. How much water was that?
1 cup.
That was definitely more than 1 cup of water.
Hmm?
Okay.
This cup.
Oh, one of those?
Mm-hmm. You got enough water because you don't want to get too thick.
So you add that to the flour, the packaged flour.
The whole can of milk. Sometimes people use bare milk, but me not use bare milk. I add water too,
Okay.
you know. Not too over rich.
Oh, my bad. I'm not stopping you.
Tell me, eh? With your talk to me. What make you know? Go with them, my team.
No.
You will feel good. I put 2 spoons sugar. Then we go taste if you not enough. We go got to put in more.
Sugar?
Yeah.
Why not use brown sugar?
No, this is done brown already. You not take them out?
Nothing came out.
How you go gurgly? Hold this.
Non-productive cost from Andra.
Pour the mixture in the strainer to get all the lumps. Turn the stove up high.
You don't?
Me.
Okay. Oh, shut up. Okay. Very good. Via get wing now, right?
Yeah.
What? Vina be saying that to me all the time.
That bad word.
Vina say it to me all the time.
Why?
Wow.
Look good?
Yeah. You got to dry a little.
How long you have to turn for?
No, not too much thick, you know. With you got mash your pot. You see one a masala.
Mm-hmm.
That's why you got to throw little add little water like they're loose. Nice.
Who taught you how to make this?
You see my parents made. Where are you
Alright, this is what the halwa looks like. And then to accompany it, Grandma is making a twin roti. Grandma won't.
Like, whenever he decides to, can I please knock it out?
Yeah, do for all the pig.
I don't think do them do it anytime. It's not that long. You might wait for now since I eat already.
Okay.
And when you clap them, you open too.
Okay.
You want to see how we clap and open? That. Yes. Roll them ball, and you put little flour, and you clap them, and there you go.
It looks good. Wow.
That's it.
Yummy. Why a bus more?
I know twin roti.
Okay. Thank you.
Twin roti this.
Come buy your halwa.
For I go eat them?
No, come buy it.
Oh God.
Now smile.
Twin roti.
Okay, you're good. You don't gotta do more. Wow. Bye.
Bye.